The smoothie diet. Welcome back to Health Alert Remedies. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of smoothies and exploring the wonders of the smoothie diet. If you've been on the quest for a tasty and nutritious way to shed those extra pounds, look no further. Before we blend into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the link below for some fantastic smoothie making tools and ingredients. 1. What is the smoothie diet? Picture this: a diet that doesn't feel like a diet at all. The smoothie diet is all about incorporating nutrient-packed smoothies into your daily routine. We'll uncover how these delicious concoctions can be your secret weapon for weight loss while keeping your taste buds happy. 2. Smoothie recipes for weight loss. Get ready to embark on a taste bud adventure. We've got 6 incredible smoothie recipes tailored for weight loss. From the Green Goddess to the Berry Bliss, we'll explore the ingredients that not only make these drinks delicious but also super effective in helping you shed those unwanted pounds. 3. The nutritional benefits. Let's break down the science. Why are smoothies so effective for weight loss? We'll delve into the nutritional benefits of the smoothie diet, from the vitamins and minerals that boost your metabolism to the fiber that keeps you feeling full and satisfied. 4. Incorporating the smoothie diet into your routine. Wondering how to seamlessly integrate the smoothie diet into your daily life? Fear not! We've got some practical tips and tricks to make this diet a breeze. Spoiler alert: it involves minimal effort and maximum enjoyment. 5. Success stories and testimonials. Prepare to be inspired. We'll share some jaw-dropping success stories from individuals who've embraced the smoothie diet and witnessed incredible transformations. Their experiences will not only motivate you but also give you a glimpse into the real-life impact of this tasty journey. 6. Potential pitfalls and how to avoid them. As much as we love smoothies, we're also here to keep it real. We'll discuss common pitfalls that people might encounter on the smoothie diet and provide some clever strategies to navigate through them without losing sight of your health goals. And there you have it, the juicy details of the smoothie diet. Before you rush to your blender, make sure to click the link below for some fantastic smoothie making tools and ingredients to kickstart your journey. If you've tried the smoothie diet or have any questions, drop them in the comments section below. What's your favorite smoothie recipe? Let's share the deliciousness. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness content. Until next time, blend on.